Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the shop. We are back home in Ohio, and fortunately we have a great weather day. And for us, what that means is some work that we have not been able to actually do in the last 4 or 5 months, and that's wash all our cars. And for two people that love to take care of their rides, this is long overdue. We've got winter grime, we've got mud on the 4Runner we got to take off, we've got pollen, aka tree sperm, all over the WRX. We need to get this mess off. Now, this episode isn't us washing cars. This episode is going to be reviewing a particular product that was sent to us. Recently, I met Donny from Campbells Custom Care and discovered he is passionate about a lot of the same type of vehicles that we are. He's also passionate about taking care of them and keeping them looking the best way they possibly can, which we are too. He was so kind to actually send us a bottle of the Donny ceramic detail spray. Now this is great because perfect timing to be able to get the cars covered and protected for the summer heat, the summer sun, and everything else that comes through here in Ohio weather. And because of its really multifaceted use for all the vehicles that we have, this is going to be perfect. So we're going to get busy on cleaning all of these cars, and then we're going to test out the Donny, tell you a little bit more on why this is different, and see how it turns out. We've got all the players lined up,
ready to get it started.
Okay, hard work is done, at least on this vehicle. 2 more to go. But before we actually test out the Donny, a couple of things about Donny and Campbell's Custom Care. So they were recently featured on Motorhead Garage TV, full segment on their product and what they do. So really cool. They're doing big things with a lot of different big names. Some different things about this is it's not a full ceramic detail like you would pay hundreds and hundreds of dollars for. This is a silica infused detail spray. So it's not a silicone spray where you may be accustomed to some of those that are really sticky. They're pretty when they go on, but as soon as you drive, it attracts dirt, dust, and then it's just kind of ruined. This, with the SiO2 infused, it actually repels the dust. It can be applied in sun, so roll up at a show, you can pull this up and go ahead and re-detail the car before it gets judged. You could use this on the windshields, you could use this on wheels. You can use this on plastic and chrome trim, so really versatile in wherever you can end up using it. I'm excited you could use it on wraps, so Arishi, our WRX, is going to be able to get the full treatment, and plus this is going to be a refreshing topper on top of the ceramic detail that we had done a couple of years ago.
Alright, wash is done, and I went ahead and put the Donny on all the sides, the rear, as well as the fender trim. If you have not seen any of the other videos on us off-roading with this thing, it goes through some serious mud and obstacles. I never take care of this beyond just a wash. I don't wax it, I don't put any detail spray on there because I know it's just going to get trashed again very soon. So this is definitely a treat for the 4Runner, and I am absolutely blown away on how good it looks. Reflection. outside of my Kentucky pinstripes that unfortunately the Donny or anything else will take off. This thing looks great. snorkel, the fender trim, everything that usually looks really, really faded is just really revitalized. Looks amazing. All right, let's do the water test.
All right. All right, so nothing has been applied to this yet. That water's just staying there. Yep. Okay, let's dry it off. Let's try it with the Don. Put some sprays on. Damp rag. Get her dry. All right, let's see the difference. That's a big difference.
All right, we hooked the Santa Fe up with the full treatment on the Don, the wheels, all exterior panels, all the glass, all the silver and chrome trim, never spotted up when applying, and it's gorgeous. All right, hooked up the WRX, same thing as the Santa Fe. Windows, wheels, all the exterior, and quite honestly, I've only used products that are specifically for wraps because I was afraid that it would actually do some harm to it, but incredibly happy with the way this all turned out. Even on the carbon fiber, looks great.
Whew. It's been a long day on washing and detailing all three of these, and each of them had a different layer of nastiness involved. But did not have to stop throughout the day. Used the Don on each of these. Did not have any problems with it spotting up, with it fogging up, with it having some type of haze. It just worked fantastic on each of the different vehicles, on everything that we used it on. Could not be happier. So thank you once again, Donny from Campbell's Custom Care, for sending us this, allowing us to go ahead and try this out and provide the review. We definitely want more. So I'll be hitting you up very soon. But Dana has already gone inside. She's got a head start on pouring a glass of something delicious, and I'm exhausted and I'm ready to pour one myself. So hope you all enjoyed this episode, seeing the difference that the Don actually can use in all three different types of applications. And until our next episode that comes out, we hope you take care, stay safe, and we'll see you soon. Bye.